What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. All right, check it out, guys. There's an app that is great for my service. It's called Fenrir TV. This is a service that ModGod offers, and he has an application. It's basically like a rebranded of LTQ. It's a really good application to play some services on it. And like I said, Fenrir Ultra Q is his brainchild, like his baby, and he hard coded it for my services to be on it. So in other words, let's say you have, oh, and by the way, guys, I do have multiple services now, which I have from Budget TV to Amazing TV to Amazing UK, and also Premium TV. Now, I'm going to talk about those differences later on in a different video, but this video is purposely for just showing you how awesome this app can be and how well put together this is. All right, so enough talking. Right straight up, the way to get this app is either through his store, which I'll put the link down below in the descriptions of how to get it. He has a website, okay? And also, if you have a file link, you can get it through my file link store. So if you have file link, that's great. If you don't, just go into the links down below, and basically there's links there showing you how to get into how to download file link into your device. Okay, but if you do have file link, you simply just open it up. Let me back this out real quick. Open it up, and then you're gonna enter that code in. That code is 74861473. Once you enter that code in, you just hit continue, and the application Fenrir Ultra Q is right on the top. Okay, and as you see, this will work on all services: Jojos Amazing, the UK, Budget, and Premium. Okay, simply click that download button. Once you click that download button, it's gonna download. Okay, and once it downloads, it's gonna turn to a play button. And once you see that play button turn over, you're gonna click that, and then you're gonna hit install. I'll do it here where you can see it. Give it a second. Okay, you see how, guys, it went to a play button. So all you do from this point is simply hit that play button there, select it, I meant. Now, since I already have installed, that's why you kind of see this different. But what you'll do with a fresh install, you just click install, allow it to install. Once it installs, it's gonna say done or open. You should be good to go. So since I already have it, guys, I'm just gonna go into my screen here. I'm gonna select it, and there you go. Now, you should be prompted this screen here, and you're like, well, that's cool, but I only see one login. Trust me, guys, ModGod did it great. You see this little triangle up here? I'm gonna see if I could get highlighted. You see the upside down triangle? Right now it's black. You see how it turned white? Select that. You see how it says Fenrir TV? That is also my Jojos Amazing UK. Okay, that service is great for individuals that are into like soccer or like the UK channels. It has more variety. I can't even speak right now. But basically, it has more of UK channels. It's just over 1,200 channels. It does have UK channels, pay-per-view. You know, it has rugby, soccer channels. It does have catch-up. It does have movies as well, video on demands. It has adults channels if you want, music channels. Has catch-up, has a TV guide. But like I said, I'm not going to go more into detail with each service. I'm just going to give you a little brief of it. But Fenrir TV is also Jojo's Amazing UK. Then you have the Amazing TV service, which we already know that's basically just over 2,500 channels. You get pay-per-view, premium channels, all the sports, and also too with the UK, you do get sports channels. You get 24/7 channels, Spanish channels, Canada, you know, UK. But the thing is about Amazing TV, you only get a certain amount of UK channels. You do not get BT Sports, and you do not get the Sky Sports. Okay, now that being said, basically you don't get any of the you don't get the bigger selection of UK sports. Okay, there is no video on demand. It's just straight live TV for Amazing TV. Okay, let me see here, and pretty much yeah, and we're gonna go to budget. Budget TV, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, is a very small IPTV that I run. It's basically just over 600 channels. It's the cheapest of all of the ones I have. Okay, and let me see here. It's basically just live TV, pay-per-view, you know, some Spanish channels. You know, it doesn't have any adults, and there is no video on demand on here. Okay, so we're gonna go to premium. Now premium is, let me see here. There we go. Premium is just over 2,100 channels. It does have UK. It does have UK channels. Does have UK sports. Does have USA TV channels. It does have Pluto TV channels. Has soccer, rugby, international sports. Has catch up. There's music channels. There's all the major sports. Pretty much all my services have sports on them and pay-per-view. Well, I could go on 24/7. This one also has video on demand, which is movies and TV shows. It has adults channels and all that. Now, Melvision is another service that my God offers. Is a great service. So he also offers Melvision and Fenrir TV. Guys, if you want to contact him for those services, I will. You got to join my Telegram group and reach out to him to there, and he's in my Telegram group. I have all that down below in the description. But what's nice about this, my Amazing UK, I offer 3-day free trial. Amazing TV, I offered 1-day free trial. Budget TV, there is no free trial. It's only $2 a month. And Premium TV, I offer a 1-day free trial. Okay, now those are the services and everything, but I'm going to show you now because I probably talked your ears off. Let me go into the UK. Click into there. I already wrote my information. We're going to simply click in login. Oops, there we go. Log in. Give it a second. And there you go. See, it pulls up. Now, it does have TV Guide. It takes a little bit to pull up the TV Guide because depending on the service that you have, the TV Guides could be greater than others. I'll be honest with you, budget TV, the TV Guide is not the best. Okay, it's basically, it's like a straightforward, you know, it's really cheap, that budget TV. Any details deeper into the services, just go down below into the website. My website is jojosamazingvideos.com, and it has it broken down into more details, okay, and prices and costs and all that good stuff. Okay, so while this is updating, I'm going to fast forward it a little bit. Oh, never mind, I didn't need to because I guess it heard me. So here's your setup. You got your home, TV Guide, all that, you know what I mean? You have your catch up, which the UK does have a good amount of catch up on it. You have your movies on demand, okay? You have your series, and then you could your account, your settings, okay? Now, with TV Guide, you see this here. You're like, okay, that's cool and all, Joe, but what's up with the TV, like, categories? All you have to do, right, is you go to TV Guide. Oops, we'll back up a little bit. Go to TV Guide, click the TV Guide again. Like, click or select TV Guide, and there you go, your categories, okay? You got your categories here. This is the UK one, okay? As you see here, and keep going down, and you have all your categories with the UK, okay? Just keep going down, and there you go. Now, we just go back up. I'm going to show you something real cool. I'm going to hit back out. Now, you're like, okay, that's cool. That's Amazing UK, but I don't have Amazing UK. I have Amazing TV. Check this out, guys. We're going to log out, okay? And we're going to go to that upside down triangle. We're going to go to Amazing TV, okay? My password and everything, I already pre-logged it in, and it's saved. You just got to click remember me so you don't have to constantly write it in. Hit login, and there you go. You basically can jump different services. If you have budget TV as a backup and you have my premium service or premium TV, you're good to go. Or if you have Amazing TV, you're good to go. Okay. Now, I just want to clarify something. The different services are not upgrades. The different services that I offer are each individual services, okay? So if you have Amazing TV and you want to upgrade to premium, it's not an upgrade, okay? It's literally a separate service. You will have it's set on its different servers. So if you want to go to if you want to try how you say premium TV, okay, and you're due in like 2 weeks, my honest opinion, if you could wait to 2 weeks, wait to 2 weeks and then go to budget premium TV. Or if you be like, you know what, I want to have premium TV and Amazing TV, you can do that. You can have two services. The prices are not cheap. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's a lot cheaper than paying regular cable. I'll be honest with you. And you get a lot more channels and flexibility to what to watch. So let's say, for example, all right, we're Amazing TV now. So now same deal. And this is the awesome part. My God, you're the best, dude. He set it up so it's simply just click the TV guide and it pops up like that. So now you're on USA Entertainment. You select USA Entertainment. Okay, you click the right button, and here you go. You go down your list, and let's say you want to watch. All right, you see here, Miracles from Heaven. Now you click and hold the select button down. You see how it says Add to Favorites. Bam, we added to our favorites. Okay, but we're gonna select it now. You see how it comes up. Press the select button again and make it full screen. See that? Easy, squeezy, lemon.
So sorry to hear that. How can I?
There we go. I wanted to back out of there so I don't talk over the audio. Now, I don't even know if I said that phrase right, but let's say I click TV Guide again. See how it says favorites, and boom, there goes the channel. Simple, easy to use app. I love it. It makes everything so easy to use. You can honestly change. Let me see here. I think you can change the gray if you don't want the gray. You go to settings. You go down to themes. There, you can change the look of the color. So let's say you love red. There you go, guys. Beautiful. I mean, me personally, I like the black. So I'm just going to go straight back down to the black. Okay. So like I said, guys, it is a great application to have if you have my service. Now, if you're new to my channel and you're like, well, I don't have your service, what you waiting for? Jump on it. Check me out down below on the website, or just message me or email me. We can get to talking. Website has more details on the prices and what the services each come with. And like I said, I will be making a video about my new website, so it gives you a better detail. Okay. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Also, check me out on Facebook, Telegram, and Twitter. All you need to know is down below in the description. Don't be afraid to message me or leave a comment, good or bad. I appreciate any comment. Okay. Hope you guys have a great night.